Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the YWBL-WH 3.5 inch TFT LCD display screen. This little guy packs a punch with a 320 by 240 resolution and compatibility with the LQ035 and C111 54-pin LCD. It offers 3 display modes: TN, normally white, and transmissive, making it versatile for various applications from mobile DVD to car systems and digital photo frames. One of the standout features is its interface. It supports digital RGB, 824-bit, plus serial peripheral interface, CCR601656 with its 54-pin FPC, ensuring seamless connectivity. Need a replacement? This screen's got you covered. If you've got a busted LCD screen causing you trouble, this could be the solution. AT 3.5 inches. It's compact yet effective, and the dimensions of 0.14 inch DX 2.95, WX 2.56 H make it a feasible fit for many devices. Plus, with a total HDMI port of 1, it adds to its versatility. Whether it's for a multimedia application or an audiovisual system upgrade, this screen has potential. So, if you're in the market for a reliable and compatible LCD replacement screen, the YWBL-WH 3.5 inch TFT LCD display screen might just be what you need. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.